Hello and welcome to the video help tutorials for the BYOB Simulation, the Product Creator Part 2. This is the HTML version of the interface's Product Creator. The Product Creator is the POS system, Products and Services List Creator for your business. So it's got some great new features. Actually, if you hover over the bottom left-hand corner on the yellow cog, that's the brown button, which is the Operational Management button, and you click that, that'll bring up the Operational Management window. And before, if you've watched the video, we clicked on the Product Creator, and that will bring you up to sort of a little window here with two buttons, either Interface or HTML. We want to click on HTML this time. So after we click that, that'll bring up a new window. It'll show us what we've created before. And I clicked on Create Catalog, which will bring us, we can either create a new sort of structure, or we can go to our old one. Now, Hotel Sand Tiles menu, we have one item, as we remember. We can edit that catalog, we can delete that catalog entirely, we can create products underneath that catalog, and we can also view them. So if we want to create a new one, we go to the top left hand corner and we click create. But I just want to sort of you know the mechanisms now. I want to add more products in here. So let's go to create products underneath this. If we have multiple ones, if we have multiple sort of catalogs, we'd have to create items that would fit underneath there in sort of a tree structure. So we have our item image, we have our group names, of course, a catalog name which we can't change right here. But let's add in something for the rooms. We can just call this a single, room. Okay, and it's underneath the group name, which is room list. We want to change the image. We can click on that, and that will bring up a new windows, a new sort of showing of all the different photographs that we can select for it. We can add in our description. It's just a basic room. We can go into more detail, queen size, king size, what have you. If you were doing an international business, this is where you can go into sort of your item description on what it is that the client or customer would be receiving. Item components down here would then go into detail for what is the makeup of the actual product itself. It might have 2 or 3 components together if you were selling a package, if you were a travel tourism business. And if you're selling packages, this would sort of, you could have the excursion, picnic, you could have the the boat ride included, hotel airfare, that sort of stuff as well. And then we always have to create an item type. So this is a service, this is the lodging. We don't have a weight attached to that, and the item subtype we don't need as well. So if you go over, you can tooltip all of these items, and they tell you more about what it is that you're filling in here too. So basic room, $99. We click submit, and then that will add it to, and we see here we've got 2 items now, and before we had 1, we had more. So we can keep adding those items, changing the picture, changing the price whenever we want. Let's go and edit an item. So let's view the current products that we have. So we've got a lasagna and we've got a single room. We can edit those products, or we can delete them completely off the menu, or we can go into and we can view the details. There we go. So like we saw before. Or if we wanted to see the details of the single room that we just created, we just click on that as well. If we went and say, oh, you know what, that's a little bit steep, my competition is selling rooms or selling a widget or what have you less, for a similar sort of item, you can edit that price. You can bring that down to $80 or whatever would suit you to bring in more business. But don't cut your costs too much, because you'll have to rely on higher volumes to gain greater profits. Anyway, there you have it. That's the short and sweet Product Creator POS system, the HTML version. You can see how easy it is in here as well to create the products and services for your business. So thank you so much for watching. There's plenty of more videos to watch. Thank you again, and take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.